Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Tonight's video, well, it's tonight because I usually film at night when Jack goes to bed, so if you hear banging or some crying, it's because I just put Jackson to bed. It's like 8 o'clock and it takes him like half an hour of just like tossing and turning, maybe crying, to just pass out. So sorry in advance if you can hear him screaming, if he does end up screaming or banging his feet all around. But tonight I am going to be reviewing the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mud Mask. So this is a 15-minute facial. So pore clearing, glow revealing mask, aloe vera, ginseng, mineral rich, mud combined to create the ultimate deep pore cleansing and skin energizing mask for all skin types. Use PM. Apply a thin layer onto clean skin, avoiding eye area. Let dry and rinse off. So this is pretty much just like a single use, I think. Unless you want to spread it thin and use it multiple times, but I'm just going to put as much as I want on my face, and my face has been washed. It is clean. It is still wet, but I washed it with hot water to open up my disgusting pores to make sure it soaks up as much of my disgusting blackheads as it can. So I'm just going to take this off, as well as this little seal. There we go. Oh, water trickling down my nose, making it itch. Okay, I'm probably going to need a mirror. Actually, I got a mirror in front of me. So I am just going to take this and I'm going to squeeze it onto my little brush that I have here, and then I'm just going to wipe it onto my face. So this is going to be like a little demo review thing. It almost looks like the bubble mask. Have you ever seen the piggy pore bubble mask? That's what it looks like in this, coming out of this tube. Like it has like a bubble like consistency. Weird. Like it looks airy and light. So I'm just gonna smear this all over my face, avoiding the eye areas, like it says to. If there are any like masks out there that you guys would like to see me review and try here on my channel, let me know in the comments down below, because I'd be more than happy to try it out and review it for you before you end up purchasing it, to let you know, like, if you have sensitive skin or combination skin and you just want to know how it's going to work out for you, just pop it down in the comments below and I will check it out and try it out and let you see firsthand what it is like and how it works and the benefits it gave or didn't give to my skin. So let me know down below. But it's been a little while since I've done videos. Like, I was in a little dark place again. It sucks when those hit, but recently I stopped taking some combination medication, like that I was taking, not medication, but supplements, and I was taking them for weight loss because those things combined together were to promote weight loss. Like vitamins, I don't know, there was like vitamin C, B100s, calcium, magnesium, vitamin D3, like just like a bunch of different things, and I stopped taking them and started taking Tattie's hair, skin, and nail supplement, because the amount that I was spending on all those different things, she had them already in hers. So I was like, hey, why not just buy this, because $40 a month is way cheaper than the $160 I was paying for what I was using, all the different combinations of pills cluster fucked into my pill container, compared to just one of the hair, skin, and nails from Halo Beauty. So I stopped taking all of those and I started feeling better. Like, I didn't feel as depressed, I didn't feel as down, I kind of felt energized, like I was buzzing, you know what I mean? So I can't say it was the supplements that I was on all combined together that were messing up my system or not, but right now it definitely feels like they were, because I feel amazing right now. Like, I'm happy, I want to do stuff, I want to create stuff. It's an amazing feeling. Like, I feel like myself again, and I was feeling like crap for so long because I wanted to lose weight, so I was taking all those supplements, and what do you know, they were working against me. Go figure, right? So I stopped taking them, and now I started taking the Tatty, and my skin's been clearing up. My nails have been growing like crazy. I've been taking it for 2 months, 3 months now, actually. And no, 2 months? 2 months? Yeah, 2 months. Sorry about that. And so far, I don't have any negatives on taking it. I just feel good. And I think it's because of those previous supplements I was on combined together just weren't working with me. They're making me depressed and feel like shit, which sucks. So right now I am feeling like myself, but I have to be up early in the morning. Right now I would usually film, because it's Saturday night, right now I would film a special effects makeup look because I have all night and I can film till like 5 in the morning if I wanted to, but I have to be up early in the morning because it's Father's Day, so we're going out for breakfast with Matt for Father's Day, and I can't really film throughout the night a special effects look because then I'll be super tired in the morning. So I'm just doing this review for you guys, just something quick and fun to show you what this Pixi Skin Treats is like. But yeah, I'm just trying to talk to you guys while this sits on my skin. Yeah, while it dries enough to wash off. First, it feels, like I said, it looks like the Glam Glow on the skin. Coming out, it looked like the Piggy Pore Bubble Mask. And drying, it's starting to feel more like the Glam Glow again because it's like got that mud, the drying feeling. And I feel once it's completely dry, I won't be able to scrunch my face or anything. But it has a very strong smell. I don't know what that smell is. Smells kind of like medicine-like. Not floral or dirty or anything like that. It smells kind of like medicine. Yeah. That's the best way I can describe this. Sitting on my face, I can feel a slightly tightening around in my cheeks. More so here because it's drying, as you guys can see. I can actually see the pores on my nose starting to pop out a lot more as this sits on my face. I have a very large pores on my nose and my forehead. Since having Jack, I really noticed them just be like, hey, out there, how are ya? I'm here, notice me. And it's hard not to notice them because they're huge. So since having him, those have appeared. Thanks, Jack. But I'm trying to get control of them and doing masks and all of that fun stuff. So if you know a mask that works really well on shrinking pores and blackheads, let me know in the comments down below that as well, because I would like to try that and shrink these bad boys because they are massive. Like, huge. Hate it. But yeah, I needed a drink. So fun little thing coming up soon. If you aren't following or subscribed to my vlog channel, Reasons to Smile, I'll have it right there, Reasons to Smile, as well as it will be linked in the description bar down below. But you can just go in the YouTube search bar, type Reasons to Smile, all one word, and subscribe there, because I have some fun things going on in the background of this whole beauty channel with my vlog channel. It's more behind the scenes of like daily life and what's going on. So if you subscribe there, something super fun is going to be happening soon, and I'm super excited about it. It's happening July 2nd, and if you want to know more about it, you should subscribe there to find out until then, because July 2nd, then I'll just be posting on here. But if you want sneak peeks beforehand, then check that out and subscribe. Other than that, nothing too crazy is going on in my life. Oh, Matthew and I are gonna start trying for baby number 2. That's something exciting. Like, Jack's gonna have a little baby brother or sister. I'm not pregnant yet. We're gonna start trying. But hopefully within the next few months I'll be pregnant and we'll have a second little one for Jack to play with and to cuddle and just be awesome with. And yeah, because I started feeling better, and I told Matt that I was starting to feel better. Like, I didn't feel as depressed or gross and shitty anymore. And we waited for like a month to make sure that I felt good and I didn't have any like little episodes or whatever. I was like, yeah, I'm like starting to feel pretty good. Like, let's do this. And he came to me one morning and he was just like, hey, let's have another baby. I was like, you just made my ovaries ache. I love the shit out of you. For him just to like hug me and say that, it just warmed my heart and made my ovaries tingle, and my womb was just like, I had the biggest heart on for him. It was amazing. But yeah, that's going to be happening in the next few months. So once again, if you would like to follow behind the scenes, check out the vlog channel, because I'll be posting there every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I upload there a lot more than I do on my beauty channel, but I will be uploading more on here because, like I said, I'm starting to feel better and it's an amazing feeling. Yeah. This mask is really starting to make my face tight. Wow. Oh my gosh. Can you see these pores on my nose? Like, the little black dots must be what's being sucked out. Like all the oils and gunk. It looks disgusting. Ugh. Ooh. And the pimples down here look like they're being kind of like sucked out and like just coming out. That's awesome. Ugh, it's disgusting how much pores I have. Like how big they are. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see this. It's nasty. Look at those bad boys. Look at all those. That was disgusting. My pores on my nose and cheeks right here are huge. I think it is almost dry. This video is going to be so long, so I am just going to stop right here and finish up the drying time off camera, because this video is going to be like 20 freaking minutes long. Yeah, so see you in a hot minute. And we are back. So this mask is pretty much dry. There's just two areas here that I accidentally didn't wipe out enough to dry as fast as the rest of my face, but this is what it looks like. I can wipe my face and it's pretty good to go. Looking up closely, you can see all of the oil and gunk that's been sucked out of my pores with all of these little black dots. So that's the oil that's come out of my pores and just been expelled or extracted, or whatever word you want to use for that. So it's pretty nasty. Like I said, it reminds me of the Glam Glow mask. It's a bit more aggressive with the dots on my nose, like how much oil it's pulled out. So I really quite like that. Aside from how disgusting I realize my nose pores are. So yeah, that is pretty nasty. I'm going to get up close so you guys can see once again how much gunk and oil has been pulled out and just what it looks like. So there is up close all that gross gunk. So nasty. Okay, so the mask has been washed off my face now. I rinsed it off with warm water, and then once it was all off, I rinsed my face quickly with cold water to close my pores so that no gunk gets into them again. Well, at least for a little while. And then I used my toner, moisturizer, all of that jazz. So my face is completely clean and feeling good. No irritation. My skin doesn't feel super dry or like tight after it. It felt tight during it because it was that tightening mud mask, you know. You know that tight feeling that mud masks do. But after, my skin feels nice and airy. It feels like it's breathing. It's nothing too crazy. Like, it's not something that like has drastically changed my skin since just using it, you know what I mean? But for the most part, it's actually pretty nice. Can probably get a few more uses out of this. I thought it was going to be like just one use because of the tiny little container that it came in, but it turns out that there is way more packed in there than I thought there was. So that is my little review of this Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mud Mask. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi. Check out Reasons to Smile, my vlog channel, for more behind the scenes of stuff that is to come very soon. Very exciting things that are coming and are ahead. So you might want to subscribe to there. Just saying. And comment down below if there's any masks that you would like to see me review for you before you're thinking of buying it. If you want to see how it works out on my sensitive skin, let me know those masks in the comments down below. And until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.